Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Smart Speaker, and today I'll show you how you can force restart this device. So if you have any problem with this device and it doesn't want to connect to your smartphone, or it's stuck, it's not responding for any actions, you cannot use the microphone icon, the plus pause, like in my case, as you can see. All you have to do is just to simply take off this cable from the electricity or from our speaker, wait for like 10 seconds, and after that time we have to plug it back. Okay, so let's make it. It's enough. So plug it here, then put it like that. And after a few moments it will be turned on back, and you can spot it by take a look on this indicator. Right now it is blinking, so it means that our device is turned on and it is going to the pairing mode, so we can connect this device to our smartphone, for example. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.